Good morning, everyone. This is Eji sir, lecturer at Department of Biology, St. Gregory's High School and College. This is the third lecture on Chapter 8, Excretory System. Before starting this class, I want to mention something in this video. I have noticed many of you aren't regular in this online class, and homework that has been given in my previous class haven't submitted by most of you, and I don't know what's the reason behind it. Weren't you doing the class and weren't you submitting the homework as well? But I hope very soon you will uh, cover up the lessons and you will submit your homework. And guys, please remember one thing: we are keeping a note, keeping our documents, who are doing our classes and who are doing submitting our homeworks, and I hope you will keep it in your mind. So let's start the class for today. The topics we are going to discuss or the things we are going to learn today, that is structure and function of nephron. Nephron. What is nephron? Actually, each of our kidneys is made up of almost about a million filtering units called nephron. A nephron is the basic unit of structure in the kidney. Basic unit. You heard the word, I guess. A nephron, that is the basic unit, the structure of the kidney, and there are almost 1 to 1.2 million nephrons in each kidney. And what does it do? Each nephron is doing some filtering work inside of kidney. We'll discuss about it. Okay, so what is actually nephron? Is it a cell or tissue? Actually, the nephron is a functional unit of the kidney and it is made up of cells. That means, as it is made up of cells, it is a tissue. Nephron is not a cell. Okay, it's a tissue. Okay. In 1842, Sir William Bowman, who described the fine structure of nephron. According to him, each nephron has two main parts. One is renal corpuscle and another one is renal tubules. Renal corpuscle, it also has two parts in it. One is Bowman's capsule and another one is glomerulus. You may see the sky color U-shaped structure, that is actually Bowman's capsule. It is covered by some tissues or some a membrane, you may call it a membrane, and that membrane is called Bowman's capsule. The inside space of it is called capsular space. Okay, this Bowman's capsule, inside of it you may see a red shaped structure in it. And what is that red shaped structure? It is some capillaries inside of Bowman's capsule. What kind of capillaries? The renal artery, which carry oxygenated blood to this kidney renal artery that divides into 50 or 60 capillaries inside of this glomerulus, and these capillaries are working as a filter. Okay, and this is the main filter inside of nephron, you may call it the main filter. The entering arteriole in glomerulus is called afferent arteriole, and the arteriole is going out of the glomerulus is called efferent arteriole. One is afferent, that is entering, one is efferent, that is going out. Okay, then you may see it, the diameter of afferent arteriole is more than efferent arteriole. That's why more blood comes into glomerulus, and here in glomerulus the blood pressure is always high. That's why the ultrafiltration occurs here, the ultrafiltration of blood. And for this some wastage water and some glucose, some other elements comes through this blood or arteriole to Bowman's capsule, and it stores in Bowman's capsule. Okay, then what happens? Then you may see it, the Bowman's capsule goes further, and that is called a tubular structure goes through the from the Bowman's capsule is called renal tubules. It is almost 3 centimeter long, and one thing I forgot to say, each nephron is almost 3 to 5 centimeter long. Each nephron is 3 to 5 centimeter long. Okay, renal tubules, it also has 3 parts in it. First one, proximal convoluted tubule. The next one is loop of Henle. You may see it here, a very long U-shaped structure that is covered by this red blood capillaries. That the thing is loop of Henle. And after that you may see another tubule structure that is called distal convoluted tubules. Okay, and the last but not the least, the stand like structure, you may see it here, that is called collecting duct. It collects urine from the nephron, or that means the wastage from the nephron. So let's see the function of nephrons again. Blood enters through renal artery into glomerulus, and different wastages, urea, water, glucose, minerals, this, all of them, as I said, here blood pressure is always high. Through this blood pressure, these things comes out from the blood into Bowman's capsule. Then from Bowman's capsule, you may see it outside of Bowman's capsule, there are lots of blood capillaries here, and there's useful products, there's useful elements for our body like glucose, mineral salts, or some other different useful products that comes out from Bowman's capsule to these arteries, these capillaries, my mistake. Then this is called ultrafiltration. Then There's urea or this unnecessary wastages goes through this proximal convoluted tubule to lip of Henle, then to distal convoluted tubule. In the last moment before entering the collecting duct, before entering the collecting duct, the water we need for our body to maintain the water level in our body, the excessive water that don't need to go outside of our body, that again comes back to this capillaries, and the wastages with some water, some salt that goes to that collecting duct, and through that it goes to urethra, ureter to urethra. So that was the function of a nephron. Uh, that means we can see it from here, the uh, renal artery that is carrying blood to our kidney, and here we are seeing only one nephron, and I said each kidney has 1 to 1.2 million nephrons. That means it's a huge network instead of a kidney, huge network of nephrons. Each nephrons is the glomerulus part of it is absorbing, or it's what should I say, it's purifying the blood and storing these unnecessary things into Bowman's capsule, and through it the urine is producing here, and it goes through collecting duct to ureter, and then through urethra it goes out of the body. So that was the thing we're going to discuss today. I hope you have enjoyed the class, and as you know, there is no certain routine for this school classes. So I hope you have subscribed my channel. Otherwise, whenever I will share my classes, you will get the notification of it. If you subscribe the channel, you will get the notification of it. So your today's homework will be, you will draw a nephron, and uh, please mark it properly, and below of it write down the functions of nephron properly. Capture a pic and put in the comment box. So that was it for today, boys. I hope you like it, and asking the same thing again and again. If you have any question, you may ask. You are always encouraged to ask. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.